Aloha. I do a lot of work with 12-volt systems, so I need a lot of power supplies with different connectors attached to do testing. The four on the bottom are powered by 8 1.5 volt AA batteries. The orange colored one is powered by 1 9-volt and 2 AA batteries. The top one is just a 9-volt. Over here on the left are remote control controllers and key fobs. The downside is you have to carry an extra key fob in your pocket, which I don't really like to do. This right here, this vice grip tool, is a wire stripper, and it's the best one I've ever found. It automatically adjusts to whatever wire size it is and strips it cleanly, and you're done. Right here, these are called Sopoby. Let me pull it down. And these are wire connectors that come with low temp solder already in the middle, and then heat shrink material on both sides, so it makes it watertight. Very, very easy to use. You just twist the wires together, cut them off short, slip this over it, and then take a lighter and melt the solder, and then shrink the tube around your wire, and you're done. So anyway, those are a few tips about working with 12-volt systems and different applications and modules. Hope this helps. Aloha and stay safe.